Hello, great people. Are you there? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you, depending on where you are watching from. Court dismisses DSS objection, and the same court grants Nnamdi Kanu access to medical doctors of his choice. Yes, a federal high court sitting in Abuja has ordered the Department of State Services, DSS, to allow the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, to access medical doctors of his choice. I remember a saying in government those times we were in secondary school. An accused person is given an opportunity to answer to the accusation. That the opportunity also includes not being tormented in any way, not being humiliated in any way until found guilty. But that is not the case with what we are seeing. DSS Nigeria Limited. Sorry, is it DSS Nigeria Limited or DSS what? The organization is behaving as if they are run by, they are not after the interest of this country. Wait, listen to what I'm saying. This organization is supposed to be a statutory body, always wanting to do the right thing, not influenced by anybody. Yes. That is how this organization is supposed to be. Not influenced by anybody, just doing their work. Just like if you go to America, the Bill Clinton case, is it Monica Lewinsky scandal? You know about that. What happened? Despite that Bill Clinton was the president at that time, they took his samples, they tested to make sure it's the same thing that was found on Monica Lewinsky's kids, Shimi, I don't know what they call her. They were acting as a statutory body, doing what they are supposed to do, irrespective of whose the case is about, what the case is about. The case is about their number one man. Nigeria said they are practicing democracy. Nonsense! When you start practicing democracy, we will know. In a democracy, bodies like DSS, police are independent. They will do their work. They don't look at faces. But in Nigeria, the court will say, release this guy, he has no case to answer. DSS director will keep him because he's in a dilly-dally with the president. Court will say, allow him, give him medical attention. Let his medical team take care of him. DSS director will like, court I go announce on our own, no, I go do my own. That is what is happening with Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu, if you call him whatever, he's yet to be proven guilty. I'm not standing for him, but I'm standing for that we should do what is right. The court said he has no case to answer. You kept him. There were even cases that was done without his legal team being intimated. Nigeria. I don't know whether if some people want Nigeria to be right. And that is why some other people are saying, we need to leave this place. So a lot of ethnicities here are fine with what is happening. A case of criminals are released. And people who has no case to answer are being held because one Mr. So is president and he wants to keep him, and the DSS boss must listen to what he says. In America, the FBI or they will probe you. They will investigate you, no matter who you are. But in Nigeria, it's like such bodies that are like the FBI will even try to close your case if you are in position. They will, once you are in tune with the number one man, they will cover up your case. It's been ordered by the court several times that Nnamdi Kanu should have access to his lawyer. The DSS will do whatever they like. No regard for the courts and the justices. And I think our justices are part of the problem. the judiciary. They are dancing to the tune of the executive. It's time to read Riot Act to the executive. It's time to tell them we are an independent body. We don't rely on you. You cannot dictate for us. It's time to tell them A is A and B is B, white is white and black is black. They're always scared. Our judiciary is scared. Before you know, maybe the executive will bring your file or you will get sacked. And so what? The judiciary in Nigeria has to redeem their image. You have to come out plain. Tell the executive we are independent. Get your respect back. Tell them we are not ready to do your biddings. We are an independent body too. Let me tell you, most societies that are doing well, do you know why they are doing well? They have strong laws. Strong laws. Respected laws. The judiciary there are serious. It's not a case of softening on this particular matter and hardening on the other matter. Do the right thing, just like what is happening with the tribunal now. I don't know what will be the outcome. They could be squeezed to do the biddings of the incumbency rather than doing the right thing. I had rumors it will resort to a rerun. And why would it be a rerun? They should give to the winner of the election his victory. Unless the winner did not meet the requirement. The case of rerun is, again, what I see it as is the judiciary being, clamped. Not being allowed to do their work properly. A scared judiciary. That's the only case of a rerun. They have to prove that there should be a rerun. If not, the winner should be the winner. Unless the winner did not meet the requirement. Release him. Release Nnamdi Kanu. No. We are DSS. We have the power. Nigerians cannot talk because you are DSS. And I realize those who are working with DSS are human beings. They are Nigerians. They have relatives. It is time for them to save their relatives. How do I mean? Do the right thing, redeem the image of the country. Respect the law fully. Irrespective of whose horse is God. Respect the law fully. Support the judiciary, do the right things. Judiciary will say this, give order. You will not do. There is a way this thing affects everybody. Someone relates to you. I hope they will still give Nnamdi Kanu access to doctors, like it's being ordered by the courts. I know this is not the first time. Unless there is an attempt to, in a way to continue to suffer him and make him die slowly. Yes. Unless there is an attempt, there is an already concluded plan to kill him slowly. If not, he's not yet a condemned criminal. He's not a criminal until the court has proven. A good court, not anyhow court. Because there are some judgments that may not be acceptable if things are not properly followed. Until he's proven guilty. But, I feel the treatment being given to him is like that given to a condemned criminal. When will Nigeria get things right? His health kept deteriorating. They will say they have the best of physicians. Oh my God, this country. Anyway, this is where we draw the curtain on this one. Please, viewers, add your comment, tell us what you think. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for more updates. Bye bye for now.